Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a chocolate pie, which is perfect for Father's Day. It's so easy and delicious. I hope you can give it a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cut the butter in chunks and just set it aside for a minute. We will also cut the bitter chocolate in chunks and also set them aside for a minute. Now we're going to melt the butter on a double boiler, and there with the butter we will also melt the chocolate chunks. This will take about 5 minutes on medium-low heat. Once the butter and the bitter chocolate are melted, now just remove them from the stove and set them aside for a moment. Over here I have a 1/4 cup of hot water. Now into the water we're going to add in a teaspoon of coffee powder, then mix it until well combined. And now we're just going to pour the coffee mixture over the granulated sugar and just stir until the sugar dissolves a little bit. Now just set this aside for a minute. Over here I have my prepared pie crust pan. Now I'm just going to pre-bake it for 5 minutes. So place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. So while the crust is in the oven, now I'll continue to prepare the chocolate mixture. So over here I have the melted bitter chocolate. Now into this we're going to add in the sugar mixture. Mix well until everything is well combined. Into this, now we will also add in the cocoa powder. Mix again until everything is well incorporated. And then after that, now we're going to add in the eggs. Remember, we're going to be adding 4 large eggs. And then after you add in the eggs, now mix everything once again until everything is well combined into a very soft and uniform batter. And this is how it looks. Now it's ready. Over here I have the pan. Remember, I pre-bake it for 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to add in the chocolate mixture onto the pan. And then after you fill it up with the batter, now we're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the center of the pie is nice and firm. And after about 35 minutes, this is how it looks. It's nice and firm. Now it's ready. Now we're going to let it cool down completely before finishing it. Now we're going to make a ganache. So in a saucepan on medium heat, now we're going to heat up half a cup of heavy cream. And once the cream is nice and hot, now we're going to remove it from the stove and then just set it aside for a little bit. Over here I have the pie. It's completely cold now. So now we can decorate it. First I'm going to remove it from the pan. Now in a bowl we're going to place the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then over the chips we're going to pour the hot heavy cream. Now we're going to mix this until the chocolate chips are melted. And then after a few minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, the chocolate chips are melted. Now the ganache is ready. Now we're going to pour this melted chocolate on top of the pie, then spread it on a nice even layer, and then after that we're going to refrigerate it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks. Now we can decorate it, and I'm going to decorate the pie with red berries or any kind of berries that you like. I'm just going to add a bunch of berries on the center of the pie, and that's about it. After that, now you can serve it, and this is how it looks. And this pie is truly amazing. It's so delicious. I really recommend it. If you love chocolate as much as I do, you must give it a try. I really hope you like it. Enjoy. To print these and some more delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.